My name is Morgan Lyndall, and I'm an attorney at the Butler Law Firm. A lot of times I get asked, if I'm walking down the street or riding my bike and I get hit by a car, what insurance coverage is available to me? Well, that's a very good question, because oftentimes if you're a pedestrian or if you're on a bicycle and you're involved in a motor vehicle accident, your injuries are much more catastrophic than they would be in a normal motor vehicle accident. And that makes sense because unlike a traditional vehicle, a bike or your own 2 feet don't have airbags or other safety devices in them to help prevent injury in case of an accident. So let's get into it. What kind of insurance is available? Well, first and foremost, the at-fault driver's insurance, the AFD, should be available to you to compensate you for your injuries. Additionally, if there's a different policy on the vehicle than with the at-fault driver, the vehicle's policy might also come in and cover your injuries. There's also resident relative liability coverage. And what that means is that if the at-fault driver lives with a resident relative, a mother, a brother, a sister, a father, and that resident relative has a separate policy, that policy might also be available to cover the at-fault driver's liability for your injuries. So there are 3 different types of liability policies that are possibly available to you. Additionally, if the liability policies don't cover your injuries, or you're unable to find the liability policies, there's what's called underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. And what uninsured motorist coverage does is comes in if we can't locate any of these 3 policies and would cover you because there is no liability coverage. Additionally, if there is liability coverage, but there's just simply not enough to cover your injuries, underinsured motorist coverage can come in and compensate you for those injuries. So it's very important to get an attorney involved early in order to find all of these policies that might be available to you. For example, a resident relative, they might have 2 or 3. And so you might be leaving 2 or 3 policies on the table if you don't call an attorney. So if you've been in an accident, give us a call. We're happy to talk with you.